The new WOLF-Expert Omega, the ultimate ergonomic lawnmower. Adjust to your height with a simple pull. Comfortably operate the engine brake and drive with one hand. The ergo grip bar is easy to hold. Mow upright without effort, thanks to an ergonomic design and anti-vibration system. Unmatched performance, not a single grass clipping left behind, meaning not only a cleaner lawn, but cleaner shoes. The result speaks for itself. The new WOLF-Expert Omega. Hard-wearing, non-corrosive, single-cast aluminum deck made from top-grade materials. An extra-large grass catcher means fewer stops and more cutting time. And next to no time clean with an integrated deck nozzle. The new WOLF-Expert Omega. Ergonomic and easy to use, right down to the smallest detail.